Good morning to the respected principal, vice principal, my colleagues and dear students. It is a special day when we give a farewell party to our students of class 10 standard of batch 2022. Today on 15th March, we gathered in huge numbers to bid farewell to a group of young students after spending almost 10 years in this school. They have been waiting for many years to go outside and join the college and see. Finally, the day has come here to break their long wait and leave the school's portal to give them a chance to enter a new world of college. As a class teacher of the class 10 standard students, I would like to say something about what I have been feeling about them for 10 years. They deserve to admire me as they all are gentlemen and women. My dear students, it took 10 long years for us and you to shape you for your bright future. As a time, teachers also learn many things together with the students. So I did the same too. I saw my growing childhood in you. To grow and shape a student, students and teachers must effort and better together by the same force. Students become the subject of the teacher's action, the target of the teacher's thought, and complements of the teacher's endeavor. We have indeed taught you. However, it is also true that we too have learned so much from all of you. However, it was a long journey spent very quickly just because of your will to do something better in the future. This school has seen your childhood and adolescence and now you are continuing to enter into your adulthood of life stage. It was a very tough task for us to deal with you in your childhood. However, it became easy into your adulthood. What we did, whether good or bad, was the process to shape you all for the future and make you good human beings for the country. It's all our responsibility. Sometimes we love and care for you, sometimes loaded with hard thoughts. Dear students, I advise you all not to look back by standing at the threshold of this school. Just look forward and go ahead to see the world. Our good wishes are always with you. The world needs more intelligent youngsters like you. Success will be on your way. Keep something in your mind that is always right in your actions and never forget that truth wins. Use your power to make others happy and not sad. Never surrender to any bad situation and keep a strong belief in yourself. Go and earn your name, fame and money and come back to me to tell us your success stories. I want to share with you some inspirational lines well said by Khaide-Azam. We must work our destiny in our own way and present to the world an economic system based on true Islamic concept of equality of manhood and social justice. We will thereby be fulfilling our mission as Muslims and giving to humanity the message of peace which alone can save it and secure the welfare, happiness and prosperity of mankind. Thank you.